Ford recently revealed the 2026 Mustang Dark Horse SC, a supercharged track beast succeeding the Shelby GT500. With over 700 horsepower from its blown V8, advanced aero, and race-derived tech, it slots between the standard Dark Horse and GTD. Available in striking race red, this pony car delivers blistering performance for enthusiasts craving speed and precision. The 2026 Ford Mustang Dark Horse SC packs a supercharged 5.2-liter Predator V8, expected to produce over 700 horsepower, potentially landing between the GT500's 760 horsepower and the GTD's 815 horsepower. Torque figures remain under wraps but are anticipated to exceed the GT500's 625 pound-feet of torque, delivering a significant leap over the 500 horsepower standard Dark Horse. Power routes through a Tremex 7-speed dual-clutch transmission for lightning-quick shifts, paired with a carbon fiber drive shaft, Torsen-limited slip differential, and upgraded half shafts for superior traction. Performance is track-honed, with no official 0 to 60 mph times yet, but expect sub-4-second sprints based on GT500 benchmarks. The chassis features next-gen MagnaRide dampers monitoring 1,000 times per second, stiffer springs, new stabilizer bars, revised knuckles, a magnesium strut tower brace, and forged aluminum links for flatter handling and reduced weight. Variable traction control offers 5 levels or fully off, drawing from Mustang GT3 and GTD racing tech. Standard Brembo brakes include 6-piston front and 4-piston rear calipers on cast discs, while the optional track pack upgrades to GTD-sourced carbon ceramic rotors, 16.5-inch front, for better heat management and a 150-pound weight reduction when combined with carbon fiber wheels. Tires are Pirelli P0R 305/30 ZR20 front, 315/30 ZR20 rear standard, with Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2R available in the track pack for supercar grip. Cooling enhancements ensure endurance, making it ideal for circuits. Ford emphasizes lower maintenance via race-proven components, appealing to performance drivers. The Dark Horse SC's aggressive styling amplifies the Mustang's iconic profile, with a front fascia featuring larger air intakes for brake and powertrain cooling, and an aluminum hood with functional vents 5 times larger than the standard Dark Horse for better aerodynamics and downforce. A large belly pan and revised rear diffuser optimize airflow, while the track pack adds a ducktail deck lid and carbon fiber wing, generating 620 pounds of downforce at 180 miles per hour. Dimensions aren't fully detailed, but it maintains the S650's 107-inch wheelbase with a wider stance for stability. Available in race red for a bold look, the SC includes hood pins, exposed carbon elements in the carbon exterior package, and painted graphics. Track Pack Special Edition Limited Run offers shadow black or Oxford white with black roof and race red Brembo calipers. Wheels are 11-inch wide alloys standard, upgrading to carbon fiber in the track pack. Teal accents are optional for badging and belts, enhancing its motorsport vibe. The design balances street presence with track efficiency, including a 10% more effective rear wing setup. Inside, the Dark Horse SC blends performance and comfort with a GTD-inspired leather-wrapped flat-bottom steering wheel featuring a 12 o'clock stripe, red anodized buttons, and carbon fiber accents. Standard carbon trim surrounds Alcantara touches, while optional Recaro sports seats in leather and Dynamica with space gray or teal accents provide bolstered support. The track pack replaces the rear seat with a storage shelf for weight savings. Special Edition adds solar red seat accents and GTD-derived 3D-printed titanium paddles. A 12.4-inch digital cluster and 13.2-inch touchscreen runs Sync 4 with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and track apps for performance metrics. Safety includes Ford Copilot 360 with adaptive cruise and lane centering. 5 seatbelt colors allow customization, and ample storage suits daily use despite its track focus. Pricing for the 2026 Mustang Dark Horse SC hasn't been announced, but expect it to start around $80,000 to $90,000 based on its positioning above the $64,000 Dark Horse and below the $325,000 GTD. The Track Pack and Special Edition will add premiums. Orders open in spring 2026 with deliveries by summer. Limited production for the Special Edition emphasizes exclusivity.